Alright guys, straight to it man. So I've just done a spray out with my system. This is a standard shade, I'm not happy with it. You could tell, maybe from the camera, it's a little bit lighter. Different angles, you can't really tell. It's just a weird color, you know what I mean? So this torch here, you can do loads of different settings of different K. But if you look at it on the light, outside in the sun, it actually looks okay. But if you change the light color, the shade, go through it, it's just slightly light. So guys, I'm putting a new wing on this car anyway and blending the panels. So the color, this is actually probably a blendable color, but I just want to make sure it's right. But this is the standard shade of my system. So I'm going to order 2 more other shades off of 2 different brands from my paint supplier. And hopefully they'll be good. If not, then we can sort of go to the tinting stage, make it darker, lighter, whatever we need to do. But I just want to make sure it's good. If we were blending the bonnet and everything, you could possibly get away with it, but that's not a good idea. You know what I mean, you want to make sure the color is good as possible, but people don't see this. They think we just spray it the right color and that's it. All right, first things first, let's get the side skirt off. Hey guys, this is the other problem we get as well, because this is plastic and this is metal. Look how much lighter the bumper is to the bonnet. You could tell slightly off, and the metallic actual content, if you look at it, it's slightly different on the bumper to the bonnet. But guys, this car's only got 20,000 miles on it, and it just goes to show, even like the plastics are usually off color. A lot of people won't notice it, but being a painter and panel beater and stuff, I do notice it. Guys, now the side skirt's off, what I'm gonna do is unbolt the bracket from here, I'll unclip it, unbolt the bottom of the wing and the top of the wing. Then I'm gonna reverse the car into the ramp, lift the car up, and then I can take the bolts from it and on the top of the wing and behind the bumper as well. So get that off. And it just makes it easier for me to access as well. But guys, look how clean it is. Like I said, this car's only got 20,000 miles on it. It's crazy. Nice car, mate. And it's a manual as well. Guys, let's get the bumper off. I just got to get the arch liner out as well. I've just rang BMW as well and just ordered some new genuine clips for the arch liner. So I can keep them on the shelf as well, because what happens is when you push the sensors in, you usually lose them. But because I'm taking the arch liner off, I'm going to basically try and find them anyway. So that's all good. The only thing is, his headlight has got a bit of movement as well, if you can see it. But the top bracket, it's fine. And I can see the other one's okay as well. But I'm just going to find out what's going on with it, because a new headlight from BMW is £1,700. And there's probably VAT on top of that as well. So I'm going to save the dude some money. But yeah, I just want to get the wing off, get everything prepared. I'm waiting for paint to turn up anyway. So what I'm going to do is repair the section, mask it off, prime it so that's ready, and then I can take the bumper off, strip it, and get it ready for painting tomorrow. What I'm going to do is do my spray out cards, check the 3 colours then against it, and I'll show you the difference between on the wing. Fingers crossed the colour's good. But yeah, let's get this bumper off. That's all the sides undone and the bottom. So now what I'll do is just do the top ones quickly. When you take a bumper off, always leave one in the top. Because obviously when you drop a bumper off, if you've done all the top first, the bumper will fall off and it'll hang and it'll stretch everything, wires, everything. So just always leave one in the top. And then yeah, so I'll get this off quickly and get the bumper off and check the headlight. Bracket's broken from the headlight. Quickly, water's leaking out. Let's quickly get a bucket. God damn. Alright, so I'll put more washer fluid in there for him anyway. Drain that out quickly. That's making me need to go to the toilet. I'm going to pop back and I'm going to get to the toilet. Alright guys, I think it's just the top bracket that's broken on this. There's a bracket here. Well, I mean 2 brackets. There's a bracket from the top here broken off. And a bracket from here is broken off. But the good thing is I still got both pieces. So what I'll do, probably repair the bracket. See if they make new ones for them. If they make repair brackets. If not, I'll take this off, repair it up as nice as I can. With 2-pack bond as well, which is really strong panel bond. Leave it overnight. And then I can shape it up and paint it satin black again, so you won't ever see it. But let's get it off and check it anyway. All right, guys, let's get the headlight out. All right, so most of the brackets are broken, but they're all intact. Well, the bottom ones are intact, but if you have a look, you can see that the brackets come away. The problem is, if you leave it like that, what will happen is you'll get moisture inside the headlight. When you turn it on, you get condensation. So I'm gonna have to fix that for him. Basically, rebond all these back into place. You might be able to get repair kits. If you see these little screw holes here, they usually make repair brackets. So I'm gonna check online to see if there's anything available and then fix his headlight. That's what these are here for as well. See these little holes? You can usually just buy a bracket kit for it, screw them back on, and then it'd be spot on. But yeah, the reason I didn't repair this is aluminium. The problem is when you straighten aluminium, it can crack. And as you can see here, the bracket's actually broken off the wing. So that bracket's actually supposed to be flat to the bottom of the wing. So that one's bent. This is supposed to go to the headlight, and they're about, I think they're that shape. I'll check to the other side in a minute. But this is a steel bracket, so I'm gonna fix this. The front panel is slightly bent. Basically the headlight panel is slightly bent, so I'm gonna straighten out for him. Take these back off, put these on the headlights, get this all lined up. I'll try the new wing on, test fit it all, and then so on. All right, guys, got everything ready now. That was a big pain in the ass. So this color, this is called Yasmarina Blue, which is color code B68. But a lot of people think you just spray it that color. You don't. There's a lot of shades. And I've done a standard shade. I was not happy with it at all. So I took the old wing to the paint supplier. I've done about 6 spray out cartridges. But yeah, guys, I found the one I want now after all that. But I just want to make sure I'm putting the right color on my customer's car. And yeah, guys, everything's ready now. So it's in the booth ready. Yeah, look at the different shades, guys. And that's all the same color. And obviously in the sun, it'd be different again. You'll see the metallics pop in differently. That's what we got to work with, guys. It's not just one color you spray it on. You've got all different shades. All right, guys, so set it up in my favorite spot in the spray booth. I've got to do an etch prime on this one, and I've got to do a wet on wet. So basically, I'm going to cover these pieces up, and obviously I've got to finish masking up the hole for the handle. And then I'm going to put some color on the section on the bumper, blend the front half of the door so it matches the wing, and then we'll get the clear coat down. Let's get it degreased, guys. Guys, I didn't get a video of me putting all the panels on. I didn't have a good day yesterday, so before I went home, I put the wing on and the door on just to check the color match, and it's perfect. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna get the bumper on, just line it all up and everything. I fixed the lugs the best I can on the headlights. The bottom was actually cracked, so obviously it would have got condensation, so I fixed that as well. But guys, let's get it built up. All right, so I've just dried the car off, man. The customer's on his way. It's just come up really good and I'm happy with it, man. Keep it up for the next video. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna be dropping another 300 ZX update video because it's going to my friend's shop now to get the engine put in. But yeah, guys, it's gonna be some sick updates on the 300. Guys, if you wanna ask any questions or anything, drop a comment in the comment section below. If there's any videos you want me to show you as well, how to do things, just ask. And yeah, just drop in the comments, guys, all right? Catch you in a bit.